Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video of this playlist. So in this video we will create a loader for our application. So as you know, we are creating a social media application, and today we will build a loader. So guys, you know that if I click on login button, then we don't show any loader to our social media application. So we want that when I click on login button, I should show some loader. Oh, okay. So if I come here, so I have chosen this skeleton, so which will be rendered as a an animation while loading. Okay, so I want this to be implemented. So what I will do right now, so I will come here and I will start coding. So okay, first I will create here one folder with the name loader. Okay, now next inside this loader I will create one file with the name loader.jsx. So I will say loader.jsx. Okay, and I will say export default an async function. I will say function. Let me get suggestions. Why is it not giving? Okay, I will say here. I will say lit loader, lit star loader. Okay. Next, I will return from here a JSX fragment. Okay, cool. I have written a JSX fragment, and now what I want basically instead of JSX, I can say a dev. I want to return a dev. Okay, so I will say a dev. Cool. Now let's do some styling for this. I will create one more file with the name loader dot module dot css. Okay, cool. Now I will import this css here. I will say import styles uh, from, and I will say loader module dot css. Cool. I will, by the way, I will not get any parameter here. Okay, cool, perfect. Now what I need, that I want to give here a class name as and styles. One sec, my bad. Styles dot loader, or I can say let star loader. Cool. I will copy the css. I will paste the css here, and I will first make its position to be absolute. Okay, one sec. Position I can make it fixed even. I will say z index to be like 100,000. Okay, means every time it will be on the top of our screen. Cool. Next I will say here right, uh, not right, I will say basically width to be 100 vw. Okay, and height to be 100 dynamic vh dvh. Okay, cool. I will say background color to be kind of blackish. Okay, and I will use little of transparent here. Cool. Now I will import this loader to our login here. Okay, so I will say basically here loader. So I will say loader, I can say let star loader, no? Yeah, let star loader. Cool. Now if I come here and if I refresh, it is saying asyncs are not on client side. Cool. I will say basically, so I will come back to my loader, and I will say here I will remove async. Okay, and currently you can see we are getting some kind of blackish effect. I will make it more blackish. I will keep it here, and it's not much more. I will see. Okay, it's looking cool, perfect here. Now I can do little bit more. Perfect. I think this is perfect even. Now I will come here and I will create a iframe. Okay, not iframe basically. Okay, iframe I can create. Cool. Or I can say embed even. embed. Okay, embed tag. Okay, and I will copy this url. Okay, this is in json url, and I will say control k, add this url as embed. Okay. Okay, I will say accept it, and I can easily replace it. Okay, I will replace it, and let's see whether I'm getting this animation. Cool, we are getting this animation now here. Now what exactly I need? I want that its width to be like 50%. Okay, and height to be 50%. Okay, and height to be 50%. Cool, it's looking cool. And what I need now, I want that it should be on the center of this screen. Okay, so what I will do right now, I will say here basically in my css file, uh, I will say display to be flex, align item center, and justify content center. Okay, so it had came to the center. Cool, so this is how our animation will look like. Now more thing what can I do here, I can make it more darkish. Okay, and the thing I want to showcase here, the thing is that align content is there. One, align content center, is it so? Will it work? Is it working but not on the right side? Okay, so we will remove it, and I can say basically okay, I'll let it be. I will remove it, and let's use these three values. Cool guys, this is what our loader will look like. Now let's integrate our loader with our actual code. Okay, so now the loader part is done. I can minimize it. I will come to my page.jsx, and I will create here one form, basically like one use state. I will say const loader comma set loader is equals to use state, uh, use state, and default will be value, like default value will be false. Okay, cool. Now what I need when I have basically I need to use this loader. Okay, so I will say control V, and so this I have integrated the loader. Now whenever I click on this animation, so what I need to set it to true. Correct, so let's do it. So I will say control V, and I will set it to true. Okay, so I will say true. Now once everything is finished, okay, I want that this loader to be to become as a false. Okay, so where I can make it, so I will make that here. Okay, and I will make it as false. So false, and default like setting the default values back. Okay, now let's refresh, and let's start login. I will type my username. I will say I will type my password, and I will hit enter. Let's see, will it work? Is it working guys? So our skeleton is dancing, and we are waiting till our page is load. Cool, our skeleton removed, and we have redirected to the home page even. So this is how we can implement the loader in our Next.js. Okay, and we can make here more customizations. Okay, cool guys, so this is what we can implement the loader in our Next.js. Thank you, hope you enjoy this video. We are coming up with the next video, something interesting, so keep watching. Thank you.